Introducing the Kap-It riser, the easy and fast way to raise a pop-up spray head without all the digging. When your spray head is installed, its top is level with the top of the soil. Over time, however, spray heads tend to sink. They get covered by grass growth, grass clippings, leaf debris, and soil movement. This results in your spray head being much less effective at watering your lawn. When this happens, you're wasting water and money, and it also means certain spots in your lawn are not getting watered. When this happens, you need to raise the spray head. The standard way to raise a spray head means digging up the entire head. If the head was installed on a nipple riser, you'll need to replace that riser. The scary part of raising a head is that you don't know what's underground near the spray head until you dig it up. Roots, rocks, hard clay, and piping often make digging around the head a pain, and there's always a chance that while digging you'll cut a pipe or wire, or worse, your internet cable or even a gas line. Here's where the Kap-It saves the day. The stem extender screws onto the sprinkler head stem, and the cap attaches to the top of the spray head. It eliminates the need to dig out the head, and it eliminates the need for a new riser. All the stuff under the ground stays underground, and the Kap-It installs in a tiny fraction of the time it normally takes to raise a head. With a little practice, you can install a Kap-It in less than a minute. Elevate, don't excavate. Each Kap-It raises the top of your spray head by 1.5 inches. The Kap-It is durable and made to last the lifetime of the sprinkler head that you attach it to, and it helps to protect your spray head's wiper seal. The Kap-It fits the most common sprinkler bodies out there, such as the Rainbird 1800 pop-ups and the Hunter Pro Sprays, and many others. Here's how to install it. First, clear the sod and dirt to expose the top of the spray head. We're using the Cut-It tool, which is made to do just that. You could use a hand spade, but the Cut-It tool makes it quick and easy. Wipe off the top of the spray head. Grab the nozzle and pull up the stem. Unscrew the nozzle and remove the filter. Screw on the stem extender. Hand tighten. Slip the cap extender over the riser. Push down on the cap until it snaps into place. Reinstall your filter and nozzle. Aim the stream. Flush the wiper seal by pushing down on the stem. If needed, pack the sod back around the head. You've just raised your sprinkler head by 1.5 inches. Kap-Its can also be stacked for those heads that are deeper underground. Are you an irrigator or landscaper? Think of how much time you'll save and how many more jobs you can do in the same amount of time. Don't dig it, Kap-It, snap it, lift it, raise it, sprinkle it. Order your Kap-It risers today.